So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Harder keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. Maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Harder keeps the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. So I'm gonna apologize in advance if my voice is a little low or scratchy. I am just getting over the flu, and first time ever. But I wanted to show you my wash routine and also my wash routine with my first wig, y'all. So as y'all know, I've cut all my hair off, and it wasn't like the best decision in my opinion, but it's growing on me. And you know, some things you gotta just get used to. So they did send me some amazing products as you've seen in the video, and I'm absolutely loving this scalp massager. I've never used one of these, and it does make washing a lot easier. So prior to the conditioner, I did use the Even Silken shampoo because I did have a lot of product buildup in my hair, and I decided to try this Carol's Daughter's conditioner in my hair. I purchased this a couple of months back, and so far I do like it. I don't know, I guess conditioner is not conditioner, but you know, you just can tell in the long run. But girl, listen, I'm going to use this scalp massager because it does feel really, really good. And now, as you can tell, my curls are popping, and I'm also going to be taking one of my hair fluent vitamins, thanks to one of my amazing subscribers, Divas here, who, you know, introduced me to this product. It's a really easy pill to take. And thanks to MyFirstWigs for this hair growth oil, which I've been using a lot because I need to get my edges back. Girl, I need to everything to grow, okay? If I could bathe in this hair growth oil, I would bathe in it. But it's an easy application. It comes with a dropper, and I just distribute it where I think that my hair is thinnest at, you know. That's my routine. And then I'll follow up with the Carol's Daughter hair milk. I've been using Carol's Daughter hair milk for years, and I absolutely love it. I use it in my wigs, especially the curly ones. I use it in my own hair. I use it in my kids' hair. I love Carol's Daughter hair milk. So if you haven't tried it, I would highly suggest it. It's the original formula. I haven't tried the other formulas, but yes, it keeps my hair so moist and soft, and it smells so amazing. And also, just to sleek down my hair and style and foam it, I'm going to be using the TGIF Honey Whipped Foam. I like this stuff too. It is pretty pricey. I do get it from Amazon for $11, and so far I like it. I do use another styling foam, but I prefer this one a lot better. But because it's $11, girl, I try to stretch it. So what I do is I just, you know, apply the foam in my hair, and then after I brushed it or combed it through, I do use the 𝐏𝐫𝐞 styling gel as well along with that. This will define my curls, and it will also keep my curls from getting frizzy and dry. So I just take a, small tooth comb, a rat tail comb, and I comb it throughout my hair. My hair is thin. It has fallen out thanks to premenopause, so it is what it is. And I just slick it down all over, and then I take the tail end and I just go through it, run through it like that so that my curls could kind of like pop up. This is what I do, okay? And you will see the end results in a second. But if you need like a really good hair care product routine and you wear wigs, you can definitely look on MyFirstWigs for certain hair care products. They do come in handy. And y'all see my little curls? Okay. Now this part here was just, a little bit extra I decided to add in. So I'm going to get ready for this video. And these are my favorite lashes from the AOA shop, Miss A. And they're called Luella. Now they don't look that great right here. Of course not. They're straight. There's nothing fancy about them. But honey, that is what the mascara wand is for. I'm going to make them look better than before. Okay? And then, you're going to see me in the video with my makeup applied and all that good stuff. Now you see the bottom versus the top. There is work that needs to be done for this. And now to prepare my face for this video, I love to use this spray which I purchased a while ago at Bath & Body Works on one of their semi-annual sales. When I say a while ago, girl, I mean a while ago, like years ago. The boxes were like $1. I think I got like 20 boxes of this face refresher, skin refresher left. And it works well. But if you want to get pretty and glammed up, you got to definitely shave your mustache. So hey, for my first wigs video, I make sure that I look on point because the wig is definitely going to slay. And I got to make sure that I look cute when wearing a MyFirstWig wig.
There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Girl. So today's video, of course you already know, is my first wig, so it's definitely a go. We're going to slay like we never slayed before. And to top it off, this is like a Boss Babe Yaki straight bob. So I call it Boss Babe because, like, I don't know, it's just like a Boss Babe. All the wigs from my first wig is like a Boss Babe, right? Like, you cannot go wrong with my first wig, girl, okay? And it's not just for beginners, it's for everybody. And who don't like a wig where you ain't got to do nothing but take it out the box and just style it the way you want to style it? Like, you ain't got to bleach it, you ain't got to pre-pluck it, you ain't got to tuck it, you ain't got to do much of nothing but take it out the box and just style it the way you want to style it. I'm just saying. Well, I just got her, girl, okay? And the only thing I did was repart the part. I'm not like the middle person, middle girl, middle part wearer. I keep telling y'all because my head is long. But when it comes to a bob, I really don't want to wear it in the middle part because it's already like a certain short length, and it just kind of, to me, makes my head appear even longer. So girl, I try to take away from the longevity of my head. But isn't she gorgeous? This is a beautiful wig. She gonna do it like it's her day, okay? Well, as norm, she has that Swiss tinted lace, girl. She got her elastic band sewn inside with the signature logo, and she's got combs and an adjustable strap. She's got nice lengthiness of parting. So girl, let's just get into this, okay? Let's just get into this.
All right, y'all, so let's get into this. I had to put my wig grip silicone band on. Girl, you can get that from MyFirstWig too, baby. Okay, now mind you, I've had this wig for a minute, not that long, but the video is a few days late just because I wasn't feeling really well. But girl, listen, let me tell y'all, this wig is beautiful. Okay, my first wig, they know what they be doing when they be making these wigs. They be making people fall in love with their quality. Okay, they know what they be doing. All right, I'm gonna just say that my first wigs, y'all know y'all be making people fall in love with y'all wigs. It's so easy to put on a wig from them. All I did with this wig when I received it was just press it to the opposite side. Like, I didn't want my part in the middle, so I just made it on the side. Okay, I know I got a long head, so I don't really want my part in the middle on a long head. But girl, listen, this wig is gorgeous. The highlights in it is just awesome. The Yaki texture is flowing. Like, the hair moves. Okay, it moves. It doesn't just move when you move, it moves on its own. Look at the lace. The lace is so meltable. It is just the best lace in the world. Movable, breathable, realistic, invisible knots, you know, Swiss tinted. Honey, this is one of those wigs where you could just slap anybody if they try to ask you if you got on a wig, because they wouldn't know. Like, you know what I'm saying? They wouldn't even know if you had on a wig. They would just have to ask you. This is one of those slap the people wigs, okay? Slap yourself because you forgot you had on a wig. This is an amazing wig. And as though I'm not like the biggest bob person, bobs have grown on me. And I will tell you, if I'm gonna wear a bob, it has to be a Yaki texture. I just think like bobs are made for Yaki texture. I don't know. That's just my opinion, you know? We are all entitled to our opinions. But I did notice that the camera, like, blanked out in one of the spots in the video, so you didn't see me use my little Mark Anthony mousse styling foam, which y'all know I always do. The wig is not tacked down right here, as you can see. It's just, you know, you can pull it up and down. The only part that I tacked down was the sideburn hairs, you know, right there. That's it. But the camera did cut off and I was not aware of that, so I do apologize. But y'all didn't miss nothing, honey, because all I did was just use my little foam like I do in every video and put my little elastic band on, and bam, here we go, looking cute. What do you know, doing it like it's my b-day on an everyday flow.
All right, guys, so this was easy. Now, I think the camera cut off, like, I don't even know how many minutes, but I don't think y'all seen the end when I put the elastic band on. But I did use the foam just to put my little edges down, like not my edges, but my little sideburn hairs. And I also used the foam on my edges. Now, granted, it's not going to stick the lace down to your head when you use this. It's just going to, you know, style it. And I just like to brush it into my lace, the hair, so that way this lays a little bit flatter. But yeah, so if you did, guys, if I did the camera cut off, I do apologize. Hopefully I got as much info as need be, but y'all know my routine about installing a lace wig. And with my first wigs, you really don't got to do much, girl, but just put it on and go. You don't have to glue it down, spray it down. Like, it molds to your head. Look at this. I did not even pluck the wig, girl, okay? This is the wig straight out of the box. I'm so happy that my first wig company is a caring, nurturing company. Like, they really do care about their customers, along with their influencers, along with their friends and family. They do have a very caring heart. And the items that they sent to me were not, you know, mentioned. I never mentioned to them that I was going through like hair loss or like, you know, upset about my hair loss, but they do, you know, follow me on social media. So they was able to see that I was going through something just by my video, by me cutting my hair off and just stating how it was making me feel. So I'm very appreciative that they did send me those products and I do use them. Now, the other night I slept in the sleep mask with, you know, the little mask thing. Girl, I can't do everything on my face. I tried because I just wanted to feel a little bougie for the moment. But yeah, girl, when I woke up, that mask had me break out in a hot flash, hot sweat. Yes. But if you love sleeping with the sleep mask on, then that's on you. But I thought I would just try something out. Now, as for the silk pillowcase, that did come in handy because I just sleep on a cotton pillowcase. And so it does, you know, absorb my hot flashes. Now, so the satin pillowcase was a little bit different for me, you know, because I do get really, really hot in the middle of the night, throughout the night. You know, it's menopause, baby. It's menopause. And because I've had surgery, you know, I've gone through this at a really early age. So I have come to learn that the hair falling out, the hair thinning is a lot to do with menopause, because I've done everything to try and take care of my hair, but you know, it's just part of life, I guess. And I am slowly getting through it. I am slowly adjusting to this little bit of hair that I have, and it's growing on me, like literally growing on me. Hopefully, it's really growing, but the style is growing on me. But I'm happy that if I don't like my hair that day, I could definitely throw on a wig. Something easy, not too much hair, not too much length, because my hair is super short and I don't really like a lot of hair. So I think like for this length, this is very acceptable to me. And y'all know I never really cared for no bobs, but I like the texture of this bob. I think like for me, the best type of bobs are Yaki texture hair. I'm not like really crazy about the silky bobs. And I guess it's because it's not a lot of density. It's not so thick, but the Yaki bobs, girl, listen, hello. And it's kind of hard to find Yaki hair on stock. So with my first wigs, they always got Yaki hair on stock. A lot of the wigs, you can choose which hair texture you want. And for me, I like Yaki and kinky straight. Those are my favorite textures. And I just feel like a bob is definitely a bob when it comes to Yaki texture. But this one came out so cute. It is really, really cute. The color is great. The cut is nice. It's not too dense. It's just perfect. But definitely check out My First Wig. They have so many things that you can use when applying your wigs, not just for wigs, but you can also use a lot of their products to take care of your own natural hair, girl. So if you're on a hair growth journey, honey, then make sure you check out their products. If you just want to look cute, honey, and slay on any given day, then do it like it's your B-day and get you a My First Wig, okay? Yes, girl. But I will leave all the information down below. I got to go, girl. I will see y'all in the next video.
Go, go, go.